I'm ready.
This is Phoenix Patterson. He's Australia's fastest 2x2 solver with a continental record average time of 1.14 seconds. At the time, this placed him second in the world. And this is me in 2013. I won 2x2 at the World Championships with an average time of 2.55 seconds, which is not very fast by today's standards. However, the scrambles for that round weren't that great, and I was using a cube from 2013, which obviously isn't as fast as the cubes used today. So I decided to put Phoenix to the test and get him to try the same scrambles I had in that 2x2 final using the same cube I used for that round. Let's see how he goes. 8 seconds.
Oh man, this is funky.
12 seconds. I also thought I should try those scrambles again using the same cube and see how much I've improved since then. But it didn't go very well. Ready.
Hey, seconds. No! So, your original time from 2013 was a 2:36 as well. No way.
Oh my god. I have not improved in 10 years. Except a corner twist now.
Oh, so it was lockups and corner twist.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Eight seconds. 12 seconds.
185.
Ready.
Make one side. Do the rest. That's not easy.
8 seconds.
Okay.
Alright, you got a 252. In 2013 you got a 2.31.
Oh, what? Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Why are you touching
8 seconds.
150.
Wow. Alright, ready.
Three move face into a half decent easy two. Never mind.
What about? Oh, this.
Take 2. Wait, what was the angle you used then?
Oh, the.
Was that an easy 2 out?
Yeah.
I've never seen anyone do that before.
Oh,
I might learn that.
It's an old L.
Take 2 or?
Nah, let's be honest.
Alright.
That I'm slow.
Ready. $164.
Ready.
I think this is at 0.97.
What is that?
Is that how it's pronounced?
No, it's
8 seconds.
yeah, this is
12. Nice.
There we go.
163. Back then you got a 4.6.
Okay. Well, at least I've improved on one of the solves.
You have improved.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Eight.
153.
Oh my god.
Alright, very consistent.
All right.
What was the average?
Congratulations, Phoenix. You have won the 2013 World Championship and smashed the world record, I think.
I think so. Wait, what was it at the time?
I have no idea.
2013, it would have been 2.02, I think.
Maybe, but yeah,
Like Chris.
you've got the world record.
Yay! Now for solve number final.
Number final. Ready.
This is technically an easy minus point.
Yeah.
Stop.
8. Alright, a 2.23.
Okay.
Do you know what this
I have got worse in the last 10 and a bit years in this official. Oh well.
So clearly today wasn't my day, and there was probably a bit of luck involved in me being able to win the championships back in 2013. But if Phoenix was competing at the 2013 championships, would he have been able to win? Well, the answer is, of course, no. He was 4 years old. If you like this video, please subscribe, because I've got plenty more coming out. So, see you next time.